Well, hello everybody, and welcome back. My name is Linda, and this is Hands That Cook. And tonight we're going to cook wild rice and salmon. Now, I have to apologize right in the very beginning because this is ready rice, which I didn't realize when I picked it up. I usually use the type that takes a longer time to cook. But all you have to do is heat this. So we're going to go with it because that's what I've gotten. So I took this little, let me see, it's 8.8 ounce bag of ready long grain and wild rice. It's got 23 herbs and seasonings. And I poured it in this pan. And you're supposed to add 2 tablespoons of water. But I'm going to add, let me put it in there and then I'll show you. 1 can, 14.5 ounces of fire roasted tomatoes. And 1 11-ounce can of steam crisp super sweet white corn. I'm putting both of those in there. I'm holding this camera, and you all know I'm no good at this. I'm getting all that corn out of there. Okay. Now, if I'm lucky, I won't lose you. I'm just going to stir all this in because I'm going to let it cook together. I'm going to let it get hot together. See if I've got it out as far as it'll go. I don't think I usually add this much corn. But I think when I make it the long kind, it's a box. And it makes more rice. But I'm going to get this heated up till it's good and hot, and then I'll show you what the next step is. Alright, I let this cook a while and let some of the juice from the tomatoes cook down, but you do have to stir it every now and then to keep the rice from sticking. But I still got it boiling. Now, excuse me, I got a little bit of a cold. I've got 2 pieces of salmon. And I've laid them on top of that hot liquid. I'm going to cover it. And this is thin salmon. If you were using a thick salmon, it would take about 5 minutes. But this isn't going to take but a minute or 2, and this salmon will be done. And then I'll bring you back again. Alright, you look in there. That salmon is done. And you all see it. Whoop! If I get too close, it gets steamed up. What I'm going to try to do is take it out and put it on a plate. Just like that. I'll back off a little bit. I'm going to scrape some of this corn off of it. But it's perfectly done. Then I got my liquid here. And this goes on the plate. So you got your rice and your herbs and your vegetables. And let's serve it to Sam. Oh, that is hot, y'all.
Mm-mm. You're not gonna eat?
Not right now, I'm not, no.
Melt in your mouth.
You didn't need any salt or pepper?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I might could use a dash of pepper. Well, I anticipated this being great, and it is. Wild salmon.
Yes, sir.
I didn't know the difference between wild salmon and tame salmon, but this is delicious, I'll tell you that. And it's got to be healthy.
How do you like the rice with the corn and
I
tomato?
like that. I was just fixing to say it goes well with it.
I used to fix this a lot, but it's been many, many years. And that's how I grabbed the wrong type of Uncle Ben's wild rice. It came in a box, and I didn't see a box, and then I saw this, and I thought, well, they've changed the packaging. I didn't even bother to read it. But this took so little time. I mean, all I had to do was heat that up and put the salmon on top.
Well, it's done, and it real juicy, very delicious.
Good. What else you got for us?
Well, I don't know. I can tell. There was this friend of mine. He ordered Super Bowl tickets. And he ordered them early, but when they came,
How much were they?
he didn't say.
Yeah, he did. It was $2,500 a piece. He paid a lot of money for those tickets.
Well, anyway, he remembered that he was getting married the same day, so you know, he said, "Well, I can't. No way I can do both." So he went on the internet to try to find somebody to take his place, and he said, "And if you accept, be at St. Michael's Church at 5 p.m. and my fiance's name is Sheila."
I love that joke. Okay, guys, I hope you try this meal. It's simple, and this was really a whole lot faster than the way I used to make it. Sam says it's good.
It's delicious. I mean,
So,
if you like salmon, you'll love this.
Yeah, and you could have put something on the salmon, you know, salt and pepper, a little bit of honey mustard, some maple syrup, whatever, but I always left mine plain. So, that's up to you. That's up to you. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And be sure and hit the little bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video.
Well, it is good.
All right. So until next time, you all take care. And God bless every one of you.